Hey YouTube, just another very quick video. I wanted to, I was working on the car and I was replacing a MAP sensor, the manifold air pressure sensor, and so I couldn't get the screw out. It was all rusted and just there's no way for to come out. I tried to, so I used this like sort of a Dremel tool to cut a slot so that I could use a like a regular screwdriver, because it's a Torx bit and it's just rusted right out, so it was just, you know, just a smooth circle basically. But what I wanted to do was just a review of this type of design for this Dremel tool. It's not a Dremel, obviously, but it's this switch here. I don't know what they were thinking, because it's fine if you're working on a flat surface or you got lots of room and you just, you know, it's no problem. But if you're in a tight area and you're waiting to, you know, you want to get down there before you turn it on because you're in such a tight space, you know, there's little vacuum hoses or whatever the case may be. Well, as you're trying to get down there, this thing, you just touch it and it just moves. It's not even a switch. It's just a continuous scale sort of deal. And it can actually turn on while you're getting in position. With me, it did that once, but where the problem came in, I had this sitting on my the hood part of the car. You know, I had the hood open, and I just had it sitting next to me, and I was, you know, working on it, and I put the tool down, and this rolled over and hit the little lip and turned on. And I had my hands down there trying to get this thing out of there, and it turned on, and it was sitting right over one of those small hoses for the coolant, the overflow tank. And if I didn't get it in time, it would have cut right through it. So I just wanted to, you know, a quick review on, because it's not only just this brand name. There's a lot of them out there. I know Harbor Freight, you know, they have, these things are pretty much the same, only just got a different name on it. And so if you work on cars or in tight places and you see that, try to get the one with the, you know, the button that you push, and not this, because you can do more damage than good. Thanks again.